Hi, I'm Wimbledon videographer Will Hay, and I decided it's not going to be a great fireworks night this year. Not going to be any public displays, and they're discouraging having ones in your back garden. So I thought the solution is a virtual display. So I'd like you to contribute your designs for fireworks, and I'm going to take all the designs of fireworks, put them in a virtual display, and share the video. I think it'd be quite fun. So without further ado, let me show you how to create your fireworks. So you need a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. I'm going to go to sketch.io and select your language. Right, here we are in Sketchpad. So we want to create a new drawing. I want it to be blank, and we want it to be 600 by 600 pixels. Square, not too big, not too small. Create. So here's our drawing. Now, with a fireworks display, the first thing is you need the background to be black. So I'm going to go to Fill. I need to select a solid colour and black. Click in the area and we're done. Right, now we need to start drawing. So go to the pencil. I'm going to change it to a paintbrush. And what colour should we start with? I think bright yellow. That's a bit big for my paintbrush, so I'm going to take the line width down to, that's quite good, and the blur, do that. That looks good. So start in the very centre. Great, that's my central bit. Let's change the colour to orange. Great, I can colour bits in if I want. Good enough. And let's finish off with some red. I think I'm going to go smaller line width, down to 10. And try and keep these within the box, so there's a nice bit of black around the edge. That'll make it look better. Let's do a few more. Right, final thing is going to do some sparkles. So I'm going to go really light yellow, take it all the way down to 2 pixels and no blur. Dot, dot, dot. There we go. Now if you see here, I've made a slight mistake. I've done a line instead of a dot. So I'm going to correct that by drawing over it in black. Let's increase that line width a bit. Just going to draw over it. Right, and that's my firework. You can do any design you want. It can be absolutely anything, as long as it's 600 by 600 with a black background. It'll work in our display. So now we need to export. Let's go to Export, PNG. That's the best format for us because it's got solid colours and it's quite digital. And that should be in my downloads folder now. Here we are. Great, that's it. So do your designs, send them in to me, and we'll have a great virtual fireworks display on the 5th of November. I look forward to it.